660. It's on a 7-pin 3/8, brand new out of the box, 33 RS. I'm going to go put this on a 395 with the same brand of bar, but it'll be for the Husky mount, and then we'll try it again. So I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, this is my pop-up piston build with a little bit spicier numbers in it than the last pop-up piston one I built for my buddy. So I'm going to go swap this out to the little bit more radical one. We'll see what she's got. Alrighty guys, this is my taper top build. My buddy's recording too, and he's got the capability of timing. So now we're gonna play with your 365 some, right?
Yeah, sure.
Watch it whoop these big saws.
Consistency, you do the cut. That's with a 9-pin too. Here, try this one. That one sounds great. I love that muffler.
It's pretty snappy too for a big saw. I don't know guys, let me know what you think. You guys take it easy.